Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. In this video, I'm going to show green screen trick, how you can make yourself invisible using a green screen. So step one, you need a video camera and you're gonna record background, any area where you wanna show the background for like as much as long you wanna make a video. I'm making like a 40-second video, so I'm recording a 40-second clip without any movement. After that, I will have a green screen front of the camera at the same spot without moving my camera. I will be having green screen front of me. And then we will go to our computer. I'm using MacBook and iMovie. There's a couple more video editors like Video Leap or Lars, like you can use, but I'm using iMovie. And iMovie, I will bring that clip I made it and my library. Then I will select and choose. After that, I will bring the clip in my video library. After I bringing this in my library, I will trim the video clip only like is without moving or anything. So I need like about 40 seconds. So I'm gonna keep background clip for 40 seconds, then I will split the green screen. So after just splitting the green screen, we're gonna bring on the top layer, because that top layer we can remove any color you want, or you can remove any object you want. So now we're gonna make both clip even. After we done with the cutting, and we will go to our right hand screen, top of there's a menu bar under, so we're gonna use Chroma Key. Select on the Chroma Key, then there will be another menu bar drop. We're gonna choose green screen, green and blue screen. As soon as you choose, it will remove green color, any green color. If my shirt is green color, I will remove that one too. So basically, make sure before you make any clip, there's nothing green behind you. So if after you're done, you play, it will look like actually you're moving green screen, but it will look like you got invisible through the video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. We will be bringing more green screen trick. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you for watching.